my friends. Welcome, welcome. What a fine-looking group of flight professionals. You remind me of me, but without the bounty on your heads. Recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it back. And it's good you made it back. Good for you.
Hondo, one of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Ohnaka, and this is Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon, on loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? No, the first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful, the rewards will be astronomical for me. And you, of course, after all, even split 70-25. But this,
you guys are Hondo ready for the quote. Time is credits. Time is credits.
Go take a picture on the test.
Legit. It's fine. Legit to win.
I don't know how I feel about that.
Ready to go. Here we go.
Falcon before?
No.
Okay.
Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Ohnaka Transport Solutions, get out of here and go make Hondo some money.
For your safety,
gunners,
remain
middle
seated and
engineers in the back.
supervise your
Please
legs.
take your seat, fasten those
Por
safety
favor,
belts right
permanezca
away.
sentados.
You'll be steering left and right.
Okay.
Right pilot, this is down and this is up. Gunners, you're defending the ship. Shoot at anything that shoots at us. Engineers, you're repairing the ship. Good luck fixing this rust bucket. Let's go bring little something
Yeah,
back.
so it sounds like we need to be aligned with the right.
Flight engineers, repair test. If you're flashing buttons. You'd better be faster when we get to
Just right here.
Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off.
Okay, pilot, go ahead.
Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I wasn't just about to say that. Pilot on the right, hold back on the stick to fly out and push back to fly out. Oh, watch it. Sure, it's flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Okay, take the jump right there.
There's the train. Jump, up. Yes, keep shooting.
Keep shooting.
Lock on to us. Take evasive action.
Yeah,
Ah, there it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Oh, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Engineers, hit your flashing button. Well, it's harder than it looks. Gunship! Oh, that's ridiculous. There's I'm getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! Watch out! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! 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 Look! We did not die! Let's get out of here! Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough.
Good job. Okay, there we go.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. All right, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. But keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another Rathdal loose in here. I am not cleaning that up. Did you hear that? Over my cockpit. All right, I am making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
All right.
Thank you.